Hi everyone, this is Bernadette from the Sachem Public Library, here to show you how to use the Family Search database to find records for your ancestors. For this, you'll need a free account, and there is a link to the tutorial on how to make one in the description box below. So we're going to start by going to www.familysearch.org and then clicking Sign In at the top. Then we're going to enter our login information and press Sign In. This will bring us to the Family Search homepage. From here, we're going to go to the top left, click on Search, and then Search Records. From here, we're going to put in any information that we know about our ancestor. So I know her first and last name, and I know around the time that she was born, and I know her spouse's name was Henry. If I knew the date of any other events, I would be able to simply click and input that information. And if I knew the names of any other people, I could do the same down here. But for now, we're going to keep it as it is and press search. With this search, I got nearly 8,000 results. If I would like to refine my search at any time, I could simply go to the bar on the left and again add any life event information or information about relatives. I can use the check marks here if I want first or last names to be exact matches. If I scroll down, I can restrict the records by location or by type if I was interested in just seeing census records or marriage records. And if I knew the batch number or the film number, I'd be able to input that here and then press update. Also further down, I can filter my results by things such as collection type, birthplace, marriage, residence, death, and any other information. So if I'm looking for a Lenore who was just born in America, I would click on United States of America, and that would narrow down my results to 19. And it looks like the top 3 match my ancestor. So if I would like to view one of these records, I can simply click, and I'm brought to a quick view of the record. Here I have the indexed information, and if I scroll down, I can see the other people who were in the record. I could click on them if I'd like, or if I would like to view the original document, I could simply click on the image. And from here, I can zoom in or out, drag, flip through the pages of the census, print or download, and again, view a typed index of the people on the page. If I wanted to quickly view an image of the record, I could simply click on the camera icon, which also indicates that there is an image for a record. So if I don't see a camera, that means that there is no image for that record. I can also view these results by collection, which gives you an easier view of what type of document you'll be viewing. And again, if the record has a picture, you'll see the camera icon to the left. So if I would like to view records just from the 1920 census, I would click on 1920 census and be brought to just those records. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and happy researching.